J beats go crazy.
Hey, sugar. Listen. Check sugar out. You know what I mean? Lips, hips, and fingertips up in this joint, alright? You know, she Harley Davidson down. Check her out, though. Look at her. She thinks she hot shit. She ain't nothing. Cause she ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? She thinks she's hot shit, but she ain't shit. But this motherfucker clean, though. This motherfucker clean.
J beats go crazy.
This helmet, what y'all think?
J beats go crazy.
Who took it? So while it refreshes, all right, like I said, we had over close to 800 votes total. And the winner of People's Choice is number 21. You gotta thank everybody though. Thank you.
Talk your shit. Talk your shit.
I worked too hard for this, so I'm about it. Thank you. The people don't lie. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you.
Choice is number 21. You gotta thank everybody.
Thank you. I worked too hard for this, so I'm about it. Thank you. The people don't lie. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mom. That goes to you. You know that goes to your mom, right?
And this time we did something a little bit different. We had a judge's choice where the 4 judges had to agree on one bike, and they were going to award their own award. Judge's choice.
I'm going there too.
They picked. I made you walk that far.
Sweat, sleepless night and tears.
Can I get the first Iron Goddess winner, please, to present this award for me?
Aww.
Award, Judge's Choice.
I'm going there too.
They picked number 21.
Three P.
I made you walk that far.
Oh, that's Hey, that goes to your son now, right? Hey, hold on.
Can I get the first Iron Goddess winner, please, to present this award for me?
That's what it look like when the home team come for the motherfucking win, nigga. Yeah, that part. Thank you.
J beats go crazy.
A few moments later.